Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'm going to show you how you can add arrow or border in your video using a simple tricks. I use Filmora video editing software. Here you can see I already add a video in my first track. So here you can find two methods. So first one, you can add arrow or border in the second layer, and second method I will show later. So first, add arrow or border, go to import media file, then select which arrow you want to add or border. So I want to add here. Guys, you see when I add arrow, it will come with a white background also, because this is a JPG file. You need to add PNG file. So if you don't know how to make PNG file, here I try to show. Just open your Photoshop and open your arrow at Photoshop. Here you can see this is my arrow, and then just double click here. You can find the layer and hit OK. Then just remove your white background. I want to use this brush. Okay, here you can see my white background is gone. Now I like to save as. Okay, select PNG and save. Select normal. Okay, now I like to import the PNG file. This one PNG. Here you can see PNG. Okay, here you can see only the arrow is added but no white background, and this one is PNG file with white background. So in this way you can add arrow in your video, and you can also modify this one. Okay, you can rotate, resize, and you can also add effect. So just double click. Here you can see it's come with effect. This one I need to resize. Okay, here you can see my arrow is added. In this way you can also add border. Just import border. Must be import PNG file. Do not add JPG, because you know when you add JPG it comes with background. So okay, edit border. This is a PNG file, that's why I have no background. So in this way you can add arrow or border in your video or image. And now come to second method. To add border, you need to add text, anyone which you want. I like this one. Here you can see now this is my text layer. just double click, go to advanced. Here is advanced section. You can add or delete text. If you do not see my previous video, you can find the video link in my description below. I like to delete this layer and okay. Now from here you can also add arrow border. Here you can find built-in arrow and border, so you can add arrow from here. Resize your arrow. Okay, you can also customize its color. You can also increase or decrease its opacity, also increase angles. You can, if you want to add border, just check this option, and you can also select border color. You can also increase or decrease blur, border blur and its size. Okay, in this way you can add arrow, and you can also import arrow from here. You need to just download your selected arrow, and you must be in input PNG file. Do not add JPG file, because you know the about background problem which I was told. So you can add from here. You can rotate, you can give animation. Just double click here, you can see it's animated. You can also customize the animation time, starting time, ending time from here. Just increase, if you want to increase time, then just increase the time. You can decrease. This is the starting section and this is the ending section. So in this way you can also add. If you want to add border from here, this section, built-in section, go to this one, add this square section. Then just resize this option, this square. After the resize this, you need to go to custom. Then just reduce the opacity and select the border. You can find a nice border. You can also increase or decrease the blur section of this border, and you can also increase or decrease opacity and size. So in this way you can add, and you can also give animation. Here you can see it's animated, and you can also customize the animation starting and ending time. So in this way you can, here I like to show. So it's animated. You can find, in this way you can add border arrow in your video image and give animation so that your video look like more nice. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If so, give me a big thumbs up, and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video on Filmora video editing software. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.